Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is PRATAMA. I am from the fourth field. I will be explain and describe about vise. Okay, vise is a tool used to clamp workpiece during mechanical work such as filing, sculpting, edge to do. And use the vise is generally made of cast iron, spongy or rod that is attached to the workbench firmly. Number 1, jaw or mouth, the part that is in direct contact with the workpiece, serves to hold the workpiece so that it does not move. Consists of 2 jaw, namely a movable jaw that is adjustable in the stand and a fixed jaw. Number 2, slide, part of the vise that can go out or enter into the body of the ragum. This section helps the jaw movement to adjust how much stand the vise can reach. Number 3, handle, part the function to regulate the entry and exit of the thread so that it can regulate how strongly the vise clamps the workpiece. Number 4, screw, part that helps the slide to enter and exit the body. The thread of the screw acts as the transport shaft. This part is important to support the great strength of the vise. Number 5, body, namely the body of the vise. This body does not move, and all parts of the vise are tied to the body. Number 6, pedestal, the very bottom of the vise that serves as a fastening place with the work table. Vise divided into 4 categories, namely vise for metalworking, vise for woodworking, vise for hand, and vise for machine. Let us discuss what are the difference and function of each vise. Use of vise: use a soft vise made of brass, copper, aluminum, or wood when clamping and soft surface workpiece to avoid scratches. Pinch the workpiece in the middle of the vise jaw. Position the workpiece not at angle. Use your hand to tighten the vise jaw. Clamp firmly. Too strong and a pin can make the workpiece and the vise straight.